if you have a small pot like this, how can you arrange that? This is about 6 inches in length and 4 inches the width. So this comes as a basket, and I thought I should buy this and show you how to do a small succulent arrangement and a compact one. So first of all, I'm going to start from here. For that, I have this pink champagne plant. Look at the beautiful plant, but it's spiky, so I'm going to take it out slowly. And as you can see, it has a good root system. A good root system means it's going to grow bigger, but in a small pot like this, you can control the growth of the plant. So slowly I'm going to put it in here and cover with soil. So this flower here is a ceramic one, so it will control the growth of that too. So it's going to be a beautiful one. So when you do an arrangement like this, you need to control the growth of the plant. Not only that, you need to match the colors that you are going to use too. And I have these 2 black knight plants. It's one of my leaf propagation, and it's bigger now, so I'm going to use it here. So that's going to be actually black. Once, because it's getting cooler here, the colors of the plants are a bit dull these days. Some plants are very colorful and some are going green, so this is one of them. But I can always show you them in next summer and you will be amazed to see it. And this is another plant from a leaf propagation, kind of an echeveria. So whatever the plant you put in a pot like this, it's going to be smaller because of the size of the pot, and it will take long time to grow too. And this is another beautiful purplish color plant that I'm going to put it up here. And I have this echeveria fantastic fountain. It is going to grow to a bigger plant, so I'm going to put it in this corner. But if you control the growth with less fertilizer, it's going to stay nicely like that for a long time. Now I need 2 more plants here, then it's almost done. In a pot like this, you can't put plants that grow very high. That's why I'm choosing all these compact plants. This is echeveria red leaf. This is going to go a bit higher, but you can always control the growth by cutting the stems. And this is another plant. And the next one is clavifolium plant. I'm going to put it here. So as you can see, I filled the pot with loads of plants, and now let's top up with some white pebbles so it will look much nicer. So pebbles. And now I'm going to spray a little bit of water. So this is it. So it is a nice and a beautiful basket that you can give it as a nice gift to someone. I hope you got an idea how to do a small arrangement like this, and it look beautiful. And I will see you with another video. See you next time.